Hi students, our concept is structures here in C programming. Structure means collection of different data types. Collection of different data types. What is the main difference between structure and array? What is the main difference? Why we came to structures instead of arrays? Why we came to structures is array is a collection of similar data types. Means it is floating point array. The array contains only floating points. Or if it is integer array, that array contains only integer numbers. But due to this, we came to structures. Structure means it is a collection of different data types. For example, if we want to store student data in like a structure, student data means student roll number, integer data type, student name, character or string data type, student marks, float data types. Structure means it will store collection of different data types. That's why we came to structures instead of arrays. See here, structure, how we create and define a structure. Syntax here is struct variable name. Struct is a keyword. Structure is nothing but user defined data type. Integer is integer, char, float, all these are primary data types or predefined data types. Here structure means user defined data type. Struct, we write struct keyword, struct var name or variable name, any identifier you need to write. These are the data members, data type, member 1, so on, member n. Here we should not forget, here this is the main syntax. If we structure definition will ends with semicolon. See here, struct student name, any name, student or int roll number, char name, all these are members. After that, when we create or when we define a structure, the memory will not allocate for this. When the memory will allocate, whenever we declare a variable for this structure only, the memory will allocate in main memory. If we create or define a structure for this, there is no memory allocation will happen here. There is no memory will create for this structure. Declaring structure variable here, we have two ways to declare structure variable. First way is declare a structure variable separately and declare a structure variable with structure definition. First one, separately how we can declare structure variable. Struct student int student ID or maybe student roll number, char name of that student, float salary. After that, separately I declare a variable for structure. See, struct the structure name and E1. This is the variable. All this is nothing but user defined data type. Here user defined data type. This is nothing but int a. Int a means this is predefined data type. This is variable name. Like that only. This is user defined struct std. This is nothing but user defined data type. Which type of data is? This is user defined data type E1. E1 is nothing but struct student data type. This I declared struct std E1 separately with structure definition. When we declare like this, then only the memory will allocate in main memory. How much memory will allocate in main memory? See here, integer. The size of integer is 2 bytes and char name of 20. Here 20 bytes will allocate and float salary. Float means salary or marks. Float marks of the student. The size of the float is 4. The total size means 24 plus 2. 26 bytes of memory will allocate. When it will allocate? Whenever we declare structure variable, then only it will allocate 26 bytes of memory. Next one, structure. Declare structure variable with structure definition. Means struct student int student roll number, char name of the student, float student marks. Here I declare structure variable along with structure definition E1 and E2. E1 and E2, these two are two variables. Two structure memories will allocate here. See, for E1 ID name salary will allocate here. Next for E2 as the same, this is ID, marks. This is ID or roll number, name, marks. For these two variables two different memories are allocated. The size of the structure is as it is. The roll number size of this integer 2 and this size is 20 and size of float is 4. 26 bytes of memory will allocate whenever we declare this variable. How to initialize structure members? Structure here is struct student and roll number, char name, all this stuff comes under structure creation or structure definition. Here main function I wrote struct student name S1. This is structure. This is user defined data type or structure data type. S1 is the variable. How I can initialize here is one means it will store in roll number XYZ. Store in the name his student name. This one is 20.5 means marks of the student. It will store like this. Roll number of the student is 1, XYZ, and the marks of the student is 20.5. Another way to initialize the structure is this is the structure definition. After structure definition main struct st s1 we create a variable for this structure and s1 dot roll number is equal to 1. Here dot operator means member access pointer. This dot means member access pointer. It is used to it refers s1 dot roll number. S1 dot roll number is equal to 1. It will store 1 here and S1 dot and the dot means member access pointer. S1 dot name XYZ. S1 dot name XYZ. Here XYZ will store. Next S1 dot marks. S1 dot marks means 20.5. Your 20.5 will come here. This is another way of initializing structure members. Accessing data from structures. Here as included std io.h. Next this is structure definition or structure creation. Struct std intro number, name and float marks. Here I declare variable for this structure struct std s1. After declaring this memory will allocate for these members of the structure. Next s1 dot roll number 1 will store here. strcpy s1 dot name xyz will copy in here xyz in the name. Next s1 dot marks 20.5 is storing here. After that, how can we access the data from structures? Printf %d s1 dot roll number. S1 dot roll number means see here s1 dot roll number. It will print 1. Next printf percentage of s1 dot name xyz will print. Next printf percentage of f s1 dot marks 20.5 will print here. We will initialize. For initializing data into the structure and accessing data into structure, we will use dot operator. By using dot operator, we will access the data from structures.